such a beautiful setting. You know?
Yeah.
Go, go, go.
Woo!
Push. You're dragging. Go on, push. Walk, walk, walk. Don't drag. You got it. You can do it on your own. Yep.
There you go.
All right. And on that one.
Whoops.
Pretty cool, huh?
Huh?
It's a little,
Oh, it's marvelous.
yeah.
It's wonderful.
It's just safe enough for him to.
Just, yeah, there's nothing in
We've
it.
only had a couple of little wrecks and it wasn't been anything serious. He just got.
And it is pretty much shaded. I mean, you know, you get shade.
Yeah, that's nice.
And it's scenic.
You got it.
You got it. Just one more push.
You got that.
Okay.
Yeah,
That was fast. Can you lift your feet?
Woo!
You believe he's 2 years old? Looks like an 8-year-old.
Get ready.
How you doing, Daddy?
Got the bacteria on the run.
Uphill's a little hard.
Mm.
Go, go, go.
Woo!
Faster.
You can do it. You can do it. Push, push, push.
You're making me work by dragging. Push it. Push. Forward. Go forward. There you go.
Yay,
All right, you
man.
did it.
Good job.
That's how you do it. Uh-oh.